In the last email newsletter, we had two words that were difficult to hear that are words that you already know. They were de and le right here. Let's go to the web version of the email newsletter and let's play just from, I think she's going to say vraiment 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa and le problème. I want you to listen for the de and the first we'll agree that they're difficult to hear.
Non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème. Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème. Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème.
So it may help you if you look for a hint of the word. So it may be that you found it easy to hear 80% de, because you've got a Q sound and you've got a P sound. Those help you follow along. But what happens with the de is she's saying sans notre, sans notre. Instead of sans de notre, it's sans notre, sans notre. She's closing her mouth down there. And for the le, you need to do what I ask you often to do is, if there's a word that you don't hear, you see it in the transcript, but you don't hear it, what you want to do is play the sound again and listen for maybe there's a bit of that word either stuck to the word just before, like stuck to sympa, or stuck to problème, the word afterwards. Here we have sympa le problème. Do you hear? Sympa le problème. She's connecting it to the word just before. So if we look in a different tool, we can see sympa le problème. Let's listen. Oops.
Sympa.
This is sympa, right to here.
Sympa, sympa.
And then this is problème. It starts over here.
Problème.
She's not even saying problème. She's saying problème, 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 problème. Okay, and the la is right here. Not very much of a la, is it? Oh, le, I mean. So, but if we put it all together, and we know that we've listened for the le, and we're listening for a hint of it, we can hear something there. Let's listen.
Sympa.
Sympa, sympa. So, what I'm trying to do with the newsletter is help you understand that, yes, the sounds are slight, but the problem is not one of the French speaking too quickly. It's one of them dropping certain sounds because certain sounds are not really needed by the native listener. So why not drop them? So that's what's going on. So now that you've listened to those, you might hear them better this time. I'll play 3 more times.
Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème. Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème. Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème. Ah non, vraiment, 90% de notre clientèle est plutôt sympa, le problème, c'est que les 10%. Ah non, vraiment.
Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that, and keep in mind that you won't hear these types of things on the first or the third or fifth listen unless you're already almost a fluent listener. You'll hear them on the 10th or the 20th listen, or you'll hear them after a month or two. What you need to do is have a small amount of sound and be patient. So you need to not treat this like a sprint where you're going to do a lot of intense work in a short amount of time. Rather, you need to have a way to fit this into your lifestyle. That's why I give you the downloads when you're a member of the site. I give you the downloads so you can put these into your telephone and listen to them as you're walking, or into a USB key and listen to them while you drive. Because what you want to do is have a small amount of sound, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, that you listen to for a whole month or 2 or 3 weeks. That's when the sounds start to slow down. You can do that with if you have a transcript and the sound. Without the transcript, you'd probably never know what you need to listen for. You need the transcript and the sound, and then it becomes easy. Hopefully you're signed up for the email newsletter where you get these kind of tips twice a week. Take care.